Agarwal, founder and CEO of Earth ID, an award-winning decentralized identity platform that allows secure and frictionless exchange of identity information. I'm also leading Government Blockchain Association in Europe. As per the World Bank report, there are over 1 billion people without any recognized form of ID and over 3 billion people without a digital ID. This is a massive challenge as it signifies a huge gap in terms of accessibility and inclusion. On the other hand, it's a massive opportunity to unlock value at a global scale. World Bank recognizes that a digital ID is crucial for driving social and financial inclusion. As per the report, countries implementing digital ID could unlock value equivalent to 3 to 13% of GDP by 2030. So let's see what's a digital identity. Basically, it comprises of any information which can be used to identify an individual. This could be your personal information like your name, address, date of birth, etc. It could also be your biometrics and any login credential that you may use. It could also be your health or financial information. When we talk about identity management, that is issuance, storage, and verification, there are a few models. The most basic one is the centralized model, wherein a single entity or organization is responsible for the management. For example, national or state ID or even employee IDs. The second model is federated, wherein a group of organizations utilize a common ID for providing services or value on a mutual trust basis. Both these models rely on centralized storage of identity information and are prone to identity thefts and frauds. These models are also very costly and cumbersome. Today, governments and organizations are spending billions of dollars on issuance and verification of identities and still miserably failing at preventing identity frauds and associated crimes. The financial, reputational, and emotional impact of these frauds are inexplicable. With the advent of blockchain and distributed ledger technology, we have a new model, which is decentralized in terms of storage and management of identity information. Decentralized identity is a user-centric model wherein the individual or the subject of the identity has more control over their identity information. Basically, a user-controlled identity which can be used to own and manage their identity information, be it their tax records, their professional certificates, their health data, or even their national or state IDs. This model allows access to different services or ecosystems in a privacy and consent-oriented manner. Also, this model is in line with the various global and regional data protection laws like GDPR and HIPAA. In a decentralized identity model, the owner of the identity is able to manage his or her identity using a private digital wallet, which could be a phone, web, cloud, or even hardware-based smart app. A decentralized identity empowers users with data ownership, privacy, and consent. The issuers and the verifiers of the identity are able to establish trust and assert validity using a blockchain or a distributed ledger, helping organizations reduce identity frauds and associated costs. There are various industry applications of decentralized digital identity, as identity management is a cross-cutting concern for all industry verticals, public or private. Decentralized identity solutions like Earth ID can be used to issue citizen or employee IDs which are secure and efficient. It can also be used to issue professional licenses and permits which are tamper-proof and avoid fraudulent usage. Decentralized identity can also be used for digital onboarding of customers, employees, and other stakeholders across industries in a very cost and time efficient manner. With the advent of digital and tokenized assets, there's always a challenge of ownership and custody, which can be effectively solved using decentralized IT solution. The current pandemic has blurred the lines between physical and digital world, pushing us towards newer models to access healthcare and even how we travel. Decentralized ID solution plays a crucial role in how we share our personal and health information with medical professionals and even with travel and hospitality industry. Decentralized identity is going to be the cornerstone of future economies. Thank you.